Do you believe that a place exists where a goddess once saved the world from starvation and even today fulfills the wishes of her devotees? This is Shakhambhari Mata Mandir. So guys, today it's gonna be all about visiting temples. So if you guys are not into temples, then maybe you can skip this episode and stay tuned for the next episode, which is going to be amazing as well. But this temple visits are also very pretty. You must watch it, I would suggest. After Khatu Shyam temple, I am heading towards Shakhambhari Mata temple, which is also a Shakti Peeth, and it is approximately 70 kilometers from Khatu Shyam. Nestled in the heart of Aravalli hills near Sikar, Shakhambhari Mata Mandir is one of the most powerful and sacred Shakti Peeths. Maa Shakhambhari is an incarnation of goddess Durga, also known as the goddess of nourishment. According to scriptures, during a terrible famine, Maa Shakhambhari protected the people by providing food and vegetation, saving humanity from destruction. Hence the name Shakhambhari, which means a mother who feeds the universe. This temple has been center of devotion for thousands of years, and Maa Shakhambhari is considered the Kuldevi of the Chauhan dynasty, including the great king Prithviraj Chauhan. At this temple, Maa's blessing is not just felt, it is served. A Bhandara operates here 365 days, where thousands of devotees are fed free of cost, reminding us that Maa Shakhambhari is truly the goddess who nourishes the world. So after the Shakhambhari Mata temple, I drove another 60 kilometers to come to Jeen Mata temple. Inside the temple you will be able to see the goddess looks so amazing. You'll see the eyes and the face. It has so much of glow. There is so much of grace in the statue of Jeen Mata, and Mata was actually called as Jayanti Mata, but the people over here with love and respect started calling Jeen Mata, and the temple name has changed to Jeen Mata now.